how to make passport size photo in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, uh, let's dive right in. You need to head over to Google Chrome and then open up the Canva. Then on the left hand side, you will see the create option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you will need to go to custom size option. So here you can see that the width must be set to 35, height to 45, and the units to millimeter. This is the custom size for passport size photos, and then tap on create new design. So this will open up the template that you need, and then on the left hand side you'll see various options. You need to go to upload. So you can upload files from your computer, or if you have already uploaded it, you can choose from the images right there. I have uploaded it, so I'll just tap on it and then it will appear here. Now you just need to drag the corners and then fit the photo to the template, because this is the custom passport size. So just drag it around, and then that's it. Now you have made the perfect passport size photo. Now you can just go to share option on the top, and then you can just hit download and use it anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.